In this quick video, I'll show you how to turn on and how to turn off your Onn Tablet Pro. Okay, so let me show you how to turn it off. First thing, very easy. On the top of the tablet, you're gonna notice this small button over here. This is the power button. If you keep it pressed during 1 second only, let me show you, and then release it, you're gonna have power off. All you have to do now is to press on it, and the tablet will shut down in just 2 seconds. Now, what do you need to do to power it back on? Well, you just need to do the same thing, but this time you're gonna keep pressed this small button here until you see the Onn logo. So let's do it together. I'm keeping it pressed. I see the Onn logo. I can release my finger from that button, and this is it. Now the tablet is booting up again, and in just about 15-20 seconds you'll be able to use it. So this is very simple. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.